when we last left off, we were, I believe, trying to ride this dolphin. So let's get into it. Sure. The plan is, the goal is to grab this thing. Not sure what I'm trying to grab, but maybe I should ask the lady. Get out of the water? Yes. Tell me, what exactly was it that I was doing again? You want me to explain? Explain it to me again. Explain it to me like I'm an idiot. Just go in the water, blow the whistle, and Mr. Dolphin will jump you to the top of the pole. See that rod sticking out of the top? If you can jump just right, you can climb to the top of the tower. Okay. So we're looking for, well, I guess it is like this pole, right? So we're just jumping back and forth. It seems to be from this side is the easiest to get. All right, let's line it up. Let's line it up. Let's use this little like rod in the ground as kind of our guideline. Put us inch forward, I suppose. I guess I think I'm like looking at the right thing. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Easy enough. First try, nailed it. Oh, sick. We got a cutscene. There's the airship. Rufus's airship. I wonder what Sid looks like in this universe. Surely VII has a Sid. How do I? Am I climbing the rope? Okay, here is a perfect example. You can see. Oh, here. No, give me the background. Here you can see a perfect example of a still frame background, right? Like this is clearly like with the way that cloud interacts with the rope over here, especially right here. You can see that like the overlap isn't quite right for some of the imagery in the back here. This is like a great example of that. This is sick though. We're gonna get like a dope little I got baited. Oh, this is just a button. Interesting. I want to see. Can I run over to this thing over here? Nope. Okay, so we are just going down. We are indeed just going down. Down. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Is this not where I'm going? It looks like I'm trying to go into here, right? Like this is an awning. There we go. Hey, ho, the new president, he is here! Hey, you still dress like that? Come here! I love just the, get in the room. I love just the little, I guess. Today's the big day when we welcome President Rufus. Hurry up and change. Hey, glad you do. I also love the green screen. Brings back memories. Quit your yapping, hurry up. My hair's a little gross. A Shinra uniform. I was so proud when I first put it on. I wonder when it was I couldn't stand wearing this anymore. Wow, you look good in it. You remember the greeting procedure, right? The look on your face says you forgot. All right, I'll show you again. Do just like I do. Commander, we'll help too. This is how you do it. We'll sing too. All right, show 'em. Now march. This is the welcoming march that I'll sing along with you. Quietly, hey, come on now. Now. And march. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep in step with the soldier next to you and march smoothly. Once you're all in step, shoulder to your gun. Got it? All clear. Good. Make sure you do well at the real parade. Rufus has arrived. Preparation is complete. All right, showtime. Don't disgrace yourselves. I am so nervous. Brain shirt did fit. I'll send you a photo after. It's really funny. Let the welcome parade begin. Look at Rufus. Which one am I? Which one am I? This is so fascinating. Big flag, big port, big gun, big cannon. But to what end? Oh no, no one's here. Late? Hey, rookie, it's your fault for running around like that. Captain, we'll take a shortcut. Right, good idea. Get over here. Get over here. Oh, that's me. I'm this guy. Might be. All right, you first. Typical. Live TV. All right, I'll go first. You watch close and do as I do. Just sneak into the back of the line when you see an opening. Now listen, the parade is going to be broadcast on Shinra TV around the world. You look bad, the whole Junon army will look bad. Remember that? And don't screw up. Okay, jump in when I give you the sign. Just sneak in front, the back, don't mess the row. And don't matter what you do, don't try going in the front row. All right, start marching. So he'll give me the signal. Hey, don't play around. I missed. That's my bad. Charge. I'm trying to run in there. Our live TV ratings are going down. All right. What the hell was that soldier doing? I don't know. Are the points up? This is terrible. Am I fired? What? You're fired? Send that soldier a bomb or something. Oh my gosh. Received grenade. What the heck? Good, we made it. Oh, President Rufus. Hey, line up and shut up. Don't make a move. Hey. How's the job? What happened to the airship? The long-range airship is still being prepared. It should be ready in about 3 more days. Even the Air Force's Gelnica? Stop that stupid horse laugh. Things are different than when Father was in charge. Yeah. Is the ship ready? Yes, sir. We'll get it ready quickly. Hey. Ouch. Oh my gosh. Why? Why? Why did he beat me up? Imagine, like, this isn't actually Cloud. This is just like some random guy getting his snot kicked in. What a disaster. Heidegger was really irritated. The man in the black cape's been roaming the city, but we can't find him. Man in a black cape. He showed up 2 or 3 days ago and killed a few of our soldiers. He disappeared right after that. There's a rumor going around that it was Sephiroth. Attention! Dismissed! Hey, you messing with the army? What if I am? You're too lazy. No break for you. Get over here. This is a military soldier. Your orders for today are to send off President Rufus at the dock. I'll keep drilling you until it's time. Hold up, sir. Me too, sir. All right, line up in order and show me your final pose. Today's command is formation. Remember it. Ready? Junon military send off. Begin. A. A, B, X, X. A, B, X, Y. Left and right to turn. A, B, X, Y. A, B, X. Right, turn. Alright, now you try. A. X. Y. B. Left turn. Right turn. Got it? I've got it. We used to have to do this in band all the time. Alright, don't mess up during the real thing. Commander, what's today's special pose? Huh? I haven't decided yet. Alright, Wookie. I'll let you decide. Show me your best move. Let's see. My best move is... Wow! Awesome! Alright, we'll do with that as our special... Practice it! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Well then, meet at the dock. Don't be late. Attention! Dismissed! I wonder if there's more to explore. Well, there's at least a save point. Alright, cool. So cool. Okay, so now we're going to the dock. I wonder what this guy is doing. Also, is that Rufus? Or not Rufus? Is that Rude? I think. Come on, forget about your job. Step right up. Sure. Welcome! I was just starting to get worried. You see, our sales were pretty bad today. Ooh, I don't have... Oh. All but my last 3 gil for revive? Or should I pick heal magic? I think let's buy heal for now. I'm sure we'll be able to buy revive later, but I want to make sure that I can afford weapon improvements. If I do indeed need them. I want to... Come on. So... I'm trying to go in here, please. Oh, soldier, welcome. Yeah, because I can buy Phoenix Down. They're pretty expensive. Okay, and I don't have any echo screens. Buy 5 of those. And now I think we're out of money, basically. I'm sure we'll run into like an item shop here. Hey, how could they do that? Nobody woke me up. Is this just like 4 beds? Oh, no. Okay, they're at least bunk beds. I thought it was like an egregious just 4 beds stapled together. And I was like, oh no. Oh no. Oh man, this is such a pain to move. Where am I going? All right, to the dock, I think, right? Ooh. Hello, sailor boy. What is it? The elevator's out of order for an inspection. You know, right under us is a submarine dock and the underwater Mako reactor. Underwater Mako reactor, you say? I wonder if that's where the crazy monster came from. It was from the underwater Mako reactor because they were generating and creating monsters there. Sorry, is that Barrett? Looks kind of like Barrett to me. What a big boy. What a big beefy boy. All right, it's time. Turn hut. President Rufus has now arrived. This is it. June on military reception. Do it right. Do it with enthusiasm. Ready? B. B. Y. A. X. A. A. Right face. A. X. Left face. Right face. X. Right face. Right face. Oh yeah, look at that perfect unison. Left face. A. Right face. Left face. B. B. Alright, now finish strong. Special! Alright, President's mood gauge, 150. That's gonna be good, right? Also, that's clearly red 13. Well done! Keep up the good work for Shinra Incorporated. Here's a special bonus for you. A token of the president's kindness. Don't forget it. Received Force Stealer. Interesting. Once the world gets out that Sephiroth's here, Cloud and his friends will show up too. We'll crush them as soon as we find them. We can't have them get in our way. Leave it to me, Sack. Yeah. I thought I told you to stop with that stupid laugh. I told you to stop with that stupid laugh. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. All right, that was close. Heidegger's been really edgy lately. Because Hojo disappeared leaving a letter of resignation. What? Heidegger's been forced to take over that investigation too. Huh. Hey, I thought you were dismissed. Interesting. We got some cleaning up to do. Hurry up. Nope. I'm being a sneaky little boy. Sneaky. We'll cross the ocean to the new continent, even if we are wearing a Shinra's uniform. Yeah, we definitely saw other people getting on this boat. That was definitely, it was definitely Barrett. Oh, I bid farewell to the port and the land. All right, let's figure out what we're doing over here.